25 killed in Thailand bus fire. 25 people, including 22 students and 3 teachers, were killed in a bus fire accident in Pathum Thani, Thailand on Tuesday, October 1. According to authorities and witnesses, the bus tire blew out while traveling along the highway. The vehicle lost control and crashed into a barrier, causing a rapid fire. There were a total of 44 people on board the bus, which was on a school trip. Most of them were students from kindergarten to junior high school. 16 students and 3 teachers survived, but they sustained severe burns to their faces. Initial reports said there are 44 on board, 38 students and 6 teachers. As far as we know now, 3 teachers and 16 students got out, said Transport Minister Surya Wandarangruangkit. Responders to the accident had difficulty identifying the bodies due to the severity of the burns. Some of the bodies we rescued were very, very small. They must have been very young in age. The kids' instinct was to escape to the back, so the bodies were there, said a responder. Prime Minister Paetongtarn Shinawatra expressed condolences to the bereaved families and assured them that their government would cover all medical expenses for survivors, as well as compensation for the deceased.
Nasawi ang 25 sa sunog ng bus sa Thailand. Nasawi ang 25 katao, kabilang ang 22 mag-aaral at 3 guro, sa isang aksidente ng bus na nasunog sa Pathum Thani, Thailand nitong Martes, ika-1 ng Oktubre. Ayon sa mga awtoridad at ilang saksi, pumutok ang gulong ng bus habang binabagtas nito ang highway. Nawalan ng kontrol ang sasakyan at bumangga sa isang barrier, na nagdulot ng mabilis na pagsiklab ng apoy. May kabuuang 44 na katao ang sakay ng bus, na patungo sana sa isang school trip. Karamihan sa mga ito ay mga estudyante mula kindergarten hanggang junior high school. Nakaligtas ang 16 na mag-aaral at 3 guro, ngunit nagtamo sila ng matinding sunog sa mukha. Ayon sa mga unang ulat, mayroong 44 na pasahero, 38 estudyante at 6 na guro. Sa ngayon, alam natin na 3 guro at 16 na estudyante ang nakaligtas, pahayag ni Transport Minister Surya Wandarangruangkit. Nahirapan ang mga roomspan sa aksidente na makilala ang mga katawan dahil sa tindi ng pagkasunog. Ang ilan sa mga katawang na iligtas natin ay napakaliit. Tiyak na mga bata pa sila. Ang likas na ugali ng mga bata ay tumakas patungo sa likuran ng bus, kaya naroon ang mga katawan, saad ng isang responder. Nagpahayag ng pakikiramay si Prime Minister Paetongtarn Shinawatra sa mga naulilang magulang. Tiniyak niya na sasagutin ng kanilang pamahalaan ang lahat ng medical expenses ng mga nakaligtas, pati na rin ang kabayaran para sa mga nasawi.